Are your subscribers not paying attention to your emails? In a study done by Campaign Monitor, on average, consumers only spend 10 seconds reading brand emails. In the next 3 minutes, I will show you how to get your subscribers to pay attention to your emails. Hi, I'm Vivian Zhe, and I'm an email marketer. I've helped e-com stores go from 8 to 9 sales per day to 12 to 15 sales a day. Business owners come to find me when their subscribers are not paying attention to their emails. Many of them currently solve this problem by asking ChatGPT to write the email content for them. ChatGPT can give you some data, but it doesn't know your brand or your customers' pain points. It's not possible to create email content that resonates with your subscribers and get them to pay attention to your emails and keep reading your emails like that. My solution to this is to use neuromarketing techniques to write the first sentence of your email. This works because you'll be able to join the conversation your subscribers already have in their heads, making it much easier to capture their interest and keep reading your emails and eventually click and buy. So here are steps to do that. Step number 1, research and identify your subscribers' pain points. You can research through multiple sources. You can look back at your product and see what pain points your product solve. You can even ask your customers and subscribers about what pain points this products help them to solve. Step number 2, identify why your customers buy from you. Why do they buy your solution instead of buying from a competitor's or something else that solves their problem? Step number 3, write the hooks. Using the information from your research, start writing the hooks. And these hooks should focus on the psychology of your subscribers and how you can get them to turn into customers. Step number 4 is set up those emails. I like to use A/B testing so that version A and version B of the emails, everything's the same, except that the first line of the email content is different using the different hooks that you've written. And step number 5, you send that email out and you analyze the data. So how do you analyze the data? You look at version A and version B of the emails and see which email gets a higher click rate or gets a higher sales. So I've used this method to help Gabriel go from 1% to 4.8% in email click rates using this strategy. So here's an exercise that takes you 10 minutes to write a good hook. Do you want this? If you want it, just drop a line below and saying hook.